My name is Pooja Murada. I'm the director at the SM Saigal Foundation's initiative, Institute of Rural Research and Development. Our initiative, Alfaze Mewat Community Radio Station, is a unique PPCP model, as we call it. From the government side, we work with the Ministry of Agriculture. It's the initiative with them, and support from the SM Saigal Foundation, which is the NGO, and the community of Mewat. Together, these three entities are reaching out to 183 villages in the Haryana area of Mewat. And it's a two project, the area where it's a media dark area. There is hardly any penetration of the mainstream media. So there is a large divide between the information divide that exists there. So Alfaze Mewat is trying to cater to that community which is being deprived completely of all sort of information. It's a platform for farmers to know and to share their agriculture livelihood practices and to gain out of it. It's a platform for women who've never got a platform before this to share what they feel and to get information from. It's a platform for that large community which have never been seen inside of a classroom. So how the radio school program, for example, helps them to learn from. So the radio is, community radio is actually in their own dialect, is reaching out to them and is filling that gap that exists for years now. So that's what Alfaze Mewat is. And interestingly, now after 183 villages, we are trying that how the same we can expand, because through the transmitter we are reaching out to 20 kilometers radius. But what beyond that? There is still, there is no reach of the mainstream media. The literacy levels are so low that even if the newspapers are reaching, can't be read through. So we are now connecting the programs through IVRS system using the mobile technology to those areas where people have the access to the mobile phones but not the any other media. So Alfaze Mewat is using its program content for large variety of communities now in Haryana and also in Rajasthan area.
Yeah. Pooja, actually you are working from the very grassroots level. So my question is, how do you see the role of government in promoting community broadcasting initiatives in India, and what are the challenges? And our government is doing a right job in promoting this broadcasting.
See, it is a proven model now. Community radios have proven themselves as a good model for development, and is a model that in which communities are taking development in their own hands. So from that point of view, it's needless to say that even government recognizes it, that it is an important medium. The process to have a community radio station, an operational community radio station, is indeed not an easy journey. The fact from Ministry of MIB, which gives you the grant and the license, even if the sailing is smooth at one ministries, there are 7 other ministries which are involved who do the regular checks. Ministry of Telecom is involved, where getting frequency takes a number of years. So yes, the process is difficult, and there are a lot of lobbies which are working with government to smoothen this process. Joint Secretary Supriya Sahu herself is quite I would call her from government side, an activist who's trying to build this whole movement in the country and trying to achieve the target that government has thought of. There is an immense need to work on the systems, to work on the policy framework, to easy out the process. It it is a challenge, but we are very hopeful that for the community stations in future would have probably the easier sailing than the ones who are here.
How do you see the role of Manthan platform in promoting community broadcast initiatives?
I think Manthan has done a great job in India to give recognition to those grassroots initiatives, these small initiatives. These are the communities who've never seen a platform like this before. So it's boosting the morale of those community people. It's a encouraging thing for us that these efforts have been recognized at a bigger platform, and community radio is now can be seen in the light of the other big digital media efforts, the ICT and the big mobile honchos that are existing. So it's very encouraging. Manthan Awards has built a lot of morale and encouragement.
Thank you so much, Pooja. Thank you so much.